Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You have the headset, the 3.5mm cable, and a synced Xbox controller. First, plug the BlackShark V2 X into the controller's jack. You should feel a click. Once done, power on your Xbox and stay on home. Go to settings so you can confirm input and chat audio. You're doing this because Xbox does not support USB headsets natively. The only way is analog via the controller, which carries both game and chat channels together. Next, open settings and navigate to volume and audio output to set headset format to stereo uncompressed. This ensures the controller passes full analog stereo. Then choose headset chat mixer and adjust the slider so game and chat balance fits your needs. You'll want clarity in voice without drowning game sound. Make sure mic monitoring is low or off to avoid feedback. You're doing this so voice quality and in-game sound are balanced through the single analog line. Finally, confirm the mic by opening parties and chats and doing a quick mic test or joining a friend. Speak at normal volume, monitor how others hear you. If your mic is muted, toggle the controller mute or the inline mute on the headset cable. If you still have no input or poor audio, switch to another controller or use a different 3.5mm cable to isolate hardware faults. This identifies whether the headset, cable, or controller is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.